Today let's talk about installing a keyless fixture. These little guys here. You often see them in unfinished basements, utility rooms, or garages. These install just a little bit different than regular light fixtures, and I'll show you how. The first thing that is different is that it doesn't come with a grounding screw. The reason being is that there are no metal brackets that the hot wire can accidentally touch and energize. And the fixture is either porcelain or plastic. All you do is cap off the ground wire in the electrical box. Another difference is that these fixtures don't have wires that you wire nut on the incoming wires. They have screws. There will be a silver screw and a darker color bronze looking screw. The neutral wire or white wire will go on the silver screw, and the hot wire or the black wire will go on the bronze screw. What you do is you make a loop with your pliers here, and you want to hook the white wire up first. Then you wrap it around the silver screw. When you do this, you want the loop to go in the same direction as the screw goes when you tighten it down. If you put the loop the opposite way, you're not tightening the wire with the screw. You're forcing it in the other direction and not making as good as a connection. Once you do the neutral, you want to do the same with the black wire. Now, if you haven't already, screw the screws up into the fixture box so they stick out a bunch. Now tuck the wires up in the box and insert the screws through the holes in the fixture. Now use your screwdriver to tighten the fixture down. Don't use a screw gun because these things are fragile and break easily. Once that is done, you are ready to test your work. Hit that subscribe button and head over to thevirtualelectrician.com to get expert advice from a master electrician.